Joel McDonald helped family and friends save more than half off on plane tickets for years. So he created Just Get Out of Town, or JGOOT, for everyone else.
I think the biggest reason I decided this is a service that was missing is the amount of time it took me to find these deals.
From coast to coast, Brooke Merkel is enjoying great deals for travel across the continent. Florida and Canada are just some of the places she visited using the website Just Get Out of Town.
I just simply don't have time to scour the internet for deals.
McDonald's wife is a teacher, so he knows the importance of finding deals around the school calendar. Merkel has already gone on 3 trips and heads to Hawaii for spring break.
I decided to take a spontaneous trip that Joel advertised in his premium membership site. Wasn't even planning on going, but when you can get a $300 plane ticket for 40 bucks, you've got to take advantage of it. So I did, and I appreciate Joel for putting out all these special deals. I'm gonna keep grabbing them. I suggest you do too. Grab on Just Get Out of Town, become a member, you won't regret it. Bye.